The race callers night up at Clifford Park. It's always a very popular event leading up to the Wheatwood Handicap in a little over a fortnight. Good luck, punters. 3 into 6 and 6. The quaddie stalls are back and they're racing in the last. Effervescent began the best with Artie Beats him. Star Chance okay away. Scenic Rim is coming across, and also Outlaw Josie Wiles and that swarm of horses swapping and changing behind the back of the speed. Then came Barag, who's going on with a job, and Corrado will land down about centre field and neat length away to Buin Road. Flash There Is Brief Sojourn. Here come to Drums. Balances up second to last. Sir Piccolo is at the tail end of the field and travelling. Let's make it 14 lengths away from these two up front. Artie Beats him. Scenic Rim go toe-to-toe at the barn. Skipping along by about a length and a quarter over Effervescence, who's third, and Barag got across into a prominent spot fourth. Star Chance fifth towards the inside. Outlaw Josie Wales is going on with it, followed then by Corrado there in the centre. 2 1/4 away in the field to Buin Road. Brief Sojourn. Flash There Is. Here come to Drums, and Sir Piccolo is whipping them in. Race on in earnest. 400 metres from the judge, so it's Artie Beats him in front. Outlaw Josie Wales swooping upon them. Scenic Rim there in the centre, and Effervescent getting an inside run. Then came Star Chance, close enough if good enough, and Corrado is still there. Here come to Drums, right down the outside. So they got to Artie Beats him. Star Chance sprinted to the lead. Corrado and Hot Pursuit up on the outside. Corrado pinched to break. Late on the scene was Sir Piccolo, but it's Corrado. Corrado beating Star Chance or Sir Piccolo. Effervescent close up with Buin Road. Brief Sojourn, Flash There Is, and they're followed by Scenic Rim. Here come to Drums, not beaten far, and then came Outlaw Josie Wales. Artie Beats him, and Barag at the tail end of the field. So Corrado wins the money. So stand by for second. What do we have? We had two of them hitting the peg lock together. They've just swapped away from that replay, but anyway, 9's the winner, Corrado. And you had Star Chance.